Most income depends on time, work hours, effort, presence. When work stops, income stops. This is the standard model, its biggest limitation. A 24/7 income system works differently. It is not based on time. It is based on structure. Systems that operate continuously. The first component is assets, things that produce value, even when you are not working. This is the foundation. Digital assets are one example. Content, products, media, created once, used repeatedly. It continued generating income long after creation, without constant input. This creates leverage. The second component is automation, processes that run independently, without manual control, reducing effort over time. Payments, distribution, delivery, handled by systems, not constant supervision. This increases efficiency. The third component is compounding, returns generating more returns. Growth building on itself. Over time, investments play a role here. Money working in the background, expanding gradually, without active involvement. The fourth component is scalability, systems that grow without equal increases in effort. This defines long-term success, a system that reaches more people. Without more work, creates exponential potential. This is the goal. At the beginning, these systems require effort, time, investment, focused work. Results are small, progress feels slow. Many stop here, before systems mature. But consistency builds momentum. Systems improve, reach expands, income increases. Eventually, the system operates continuously, generating income at all times. Day and night, this creates a shift from active income to system-based income, from effort to leverage. But there is a challenge. These systems require discipline, maintenance, strategic decisions. They're not completely passive, but they are scalable and less dependent on time. This is the difference. Most people never build them. They remain in the time for any cycle because it feels immediate and predictable, but limited. Always limited by hours, by energy. The alternative is systems built gradually, expanded over time, strengthened through consistency. 3 key insights emerge. First, 24/7 income requires systems, not effort. Second, automation and assets drive continuous income. Third, scalability determines long-term growth. The difference is not opportunity. These systems are available. A few build them, and fewer sustain them. A 24/7 income system is not instant. It is constructed, layer by layer, step by step. The question is not whether it works. The question is whether you will build it and maintain it long enough to see results. If you want more insights into income systems, passive income, and wealth building, explore more videos on Wealth Finance 61.